Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best white finishing nails product on the market. The ohora semi-cured gel nail strips in N-Clean White. If you're looking for a salon-quality manicure that you can do right at home, stick around because this might be exactly what you need. These nail strips come in a complete set that's designed to make your nail routine simple and effective. Inside the box, you'll find 30 gel nail wraps, 14 are accent pieces, and 16 are solid color strips, available in 15 different sizes. This variety ensures a perfect fit whether your nails are round, square, or anything in between. Along with the strips, the package also includes 2 prep pads, a nail file, and a wooden stick, giving you all the tools necessary to prep and apply the nails like a pro. One of the key features of these strips is that they are semi-cured, meaning they are cured about 60% in advance. This semi-cured state allows you to shape, file, and apply them with ease before curing them fully under any UV or LED lamp. The gel used is real liquid gel, so you get that authentic gel polish look and feel without the hassle of liquid application. When fully cured, these nail strips offer a waterproof top gel layer, which helps them last up to 2 weeks. That's pretty impressive for at-home gel nails. The semi-cured gel strips are designed not only to be long-lasting but also to resist chipping, so your manicure stays fresh and flawless for days. Plus, removal is straightforward and gentle, preventing damage to your natural nails. For those conscious about cruelty and ingredients, ohora's gel nail strips are vegan and animal-friendly. They contain no animal-derived ingredients, and no harsh chemicals are used in making these strips, making them safe for regular use. Applying these strips is pretty beginner-friendly. The included prep pads help clean your nails and remove oils so the gel adheres better. The wooden stick is useful for pushing back cuticles, and the nail file helps you shape and smooth the edges after application. After applying the strip, you simply cure it under your UV or LED lamp, and you're good to go. The process usually takes just a few minutes per hand. Another nice detail is the variety of sizes in each pack. You get enough options to find the best fit for each nail, which helps avoid excess trimming and keeps the strips intact and smooth. Overall, the ohora semi-cured gel nail strips in N-Clean White offer a modern, clean, and polished look with the convenience of doing it yourself at home. The gel finish gives your nails a glossy, salon-quality shine that really stands out. That wraps up our detailed look at ohora's best white finishing gel nail strips. If you want salon-quality nails without leaving your house and enjoy easy, long-lasting, and safe nail art, these strips might just be your new go-to. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews and product breakdowns. See you in the next video.